Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening system information because it aggregates core specs quickly. Press Windows plus R, type msinfo32 and hit Enter. This launches a detailed view. Once open, scan system summary for OS version, processor model, installed RAM, and system type so you know 64-bit versus 32-bit. Make sure to copy or photograph the device name and BIOS version. You'll need those for drivers or warranty checks. This first step establishes the authoritative list you'll use next. Next, you expand to GPU and storage details to understand performance capacity. Go to Settings System, Display Advanced Display to identify the GPU, RAM, and refresh rate. This verifies graphics capabilities. Then open Disk Management and the Task Manager Performance tab to inspect drive models, partitions, and real-time I/O usage so you know SSD versus HDD behavior. Finally, run dxdiag and save the report. That gives DirectX, display drivers, and sound info. To finish, you export and verify to create a shareable snapshot. In System Information, choose File Export and save the report, and likewise save the dxdiag text file. These are what you send to support or keep for records. Then check Device Manager for driver mismatches and update GPU, chipset, and storage drivers to the latest versions. If specs seem wrong, run Windows Update and reinstall drivers. If problems persist, check BIOS settings or boot into safe mode to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.